to my YouTube. In this video, I show my sister and I going on the Alii Nui, a catamaran in Maui, Hawaii. The Alii Nui is a beautiful boat. We had a ton of fun snorkeling with fish, sailing, whale watching. They had an unlimited bar, breakfast, lunch, and snacks. Constant food, constant service. They had a photographer who worked really hard to get lots of pictures. They had lots of toys, snorkeling gear, everything you can think of the Alii Nui had. It was a very comfortable boat, well kept and clean. We were very impressed with the service and had an excellent time.
Great day, bunch of fish, bunch of different fish, bunch of coral. All we seen was, I seen a couple of turtles myself, a bunch of people seen stingrays, everybody seen a bunch of different stuff. It was a great day. The food was great, the alcohol was unlimited, everything was great for the price. Really recommend coming back here. I really recommend taking this trip. The person behind the camera was great. I watched her dive herself, watch all the rest of her videos. All in all, it was a great trip. Had a lot of fun time.
All right.